Student, the second parallel and opposite process is oogenesis of spermatogenesis, isn't it? Either they ask explain spermatogenesis, stages of spermatogenesis or oogenesis. Otherwise, they can ask you differentiate between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So now when I will explain you oogenesis, you try to find out the differences. Biology has one advantage, it is diagrammatic subject, and sometimes diagram helps you in memorizing many things, many topics. So you try to sort out the differences, isn't it? You see everything, number of the cells are same, only the difference and the name of the stages are also same. Three stages again, three phases: multiplication phase, growth phase, and third one is maturation phase. Then you see what is the difference. The first difference is the diagram. When you draw this diagram in your board exam of oogenesis, from right side you make these four circles smaller. 1, 2, 3 and 4 circles smaller because these are the polar bodies. So I am starting with the oogenesis. Ready? See, the first stage is multiplication. Same thing. Here also you can write here either germinal epithelium or primary germ cell. They divide by mitosis division for 2 times. Mitosis, or how many times? 2 times mitosis to produce 4 daughter cells, and these are called in spermatogenesis it was called spermatogonium, and here they are called oogonium. Oogonia is plural and oogonium is singular. So oogonia, that ends the multiplication phase by mitosis. So there is no change in the number of chromosome, 2x, 2x. Now the second phase, student, as usual, growth phase. In this, let us see what happens in one oogonium. Because it is growth phase, so the cell will grow in the size. Again, there is no change in the number of chromosome, only the cell grows in the size. So this, when this oogonia grows in the size, now it is called primary oocyte. Remember, student, in spermatocyte it was called primary spermatocyte, here primary oocyte. Now from here there is difference in spermatogenesis and oogenesis from here. In this first maturation division of maturation phase, this primary oocyte, first maturation division of the maturation phase, the primary oocyte will not divide into 2 equal body, but one will be secondary oocyte, and this is the polar body. Remember, student, when I have drawn the diagram of ovum, I told you first polar body. This is the first polar body, isn't it? And this part is called secondary oocyte, and this is observed during ovulation. It is observed during ovulation. You know what is, student, ovulation? Ovulation is the release of ovum after rupturing of Graafian follicle. And the last step, student, is the second maturation division. First maturation division was meiosis. So the number of chromosome from 2x became x. And second maturation division, here the second maturation division is mitosis. So the number of chromosome will be same, and now this will be also called as polar bodies. These polar bodies, they degenerates. Now this secondary oocyte will divide into a large body called ovum by mitosis division, and this is second polar body. So all together, student, how many polar body we observe in last year? 3 polar bodies and one ovum or one large egg cell, isn't it? So now let us find out the differences between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So what difference you observe if you compare the large diagram? What difference you observe? First difference, student, where does it occurs? Remember the first difference. Spermatogenesis occurs in testes, seminiferous tubule, and this occurs in ovary. Second difference, students, here there spermatogonia develop, here oogonia develop. Then third difference, student, what you observe the third difference? Polar bodies are found. In oogenesis, we find polar bodies, unequal, cytoplasm divides unequally, and these are the polar bodies. And the last important difference, in spermatogenesis, you have seen from one primary germ cell, we get 4 spermatozoa in spermatogenesis. But here we get only one from one, that is only one ovum in the last from one primary germ cell. So these are the major differences of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Remember, student, these 3 phases: multiplication phase where they multiply, growth phase where it grows, and then maturation phase where it get mature by 2 maturation division. First maturation division is meiosis and second maturation division is mitosis.